Hey everyone, welcome back to into another my fifth video of today on 6th December 2024. As you know, maybe it is sixth video, but you can guess what is this video part of today on 6th December 2024. Okay, and as you know, this is our new adventure story. So just imagine this, enjoy this. Okay, must write your thoughts in the comments. I am waiting for you to respond. Hey everyone, today I am diving into a hilarious disaster when MrBeast tried to teach his friends how to swim. Spoiler alert, it did not go as planned. So picture this, imagine this: MrBeast, the king of weird challenges, decides it's time for his crew to conquer their fear of water. He sets up this epic pool day with inflatable slides, of floating obstacle course, and even prizes for the best swimmers. Sounds fun, right? But here is where things go sideways. And first up is Chris. He jumps in like a cannonball. What is cannonball? I also recall it in every my video. Not every, but almost. Okay, as you know, what does it mean? What is called Chris and what is called cannonball? If you know, so must write the answer in the comments. Otherwise, I tell you. But forgets to float. Instead of swimming, he is flying around like a fish out of water. The crew burst into laughter, but MrBeast is determined to turn this chaos into a learning moment. Next, we have Chandler. He is convinced that if he just watches a few YouTube tutorials, he will be the Michael Phelps of the group. But when he tries to demonstrate his expert technique, he ends up sinking like a rock. Lesson learned: watching videos does not make you an expert. Okay. Then there is Carl, who thought he could impress everyone with his cool diving skills. Let's just say his dive turned into an epic ballet flop that sent waves crashing everywhere. Literally, it was all fun and games until he came up gasping for air, realizing that swimming is not just about looking good. Okay. In the end, it was not just about learning how to swim, it was about embracing failure and having fun with friends. They all left the pool with a newfound respect for water and some hilarious memories. Respect for water. Remember, okay? And so remember, whether you are learning something new or tackling your fears, I know, and don't take it too seriously. Embrace the chaos and enjoy the journey. Until next time, keep swimming through life's challenges. Okay, bye for now. Subscribe for more.